What is the income of the husband?
Husband is as per the 80 millard, 5 lakhs net income has been final
How much the court has granted?
20,000.
Come to the order.
He is the owner of 4 lorries and he has got yellow bird 3 cars millard. And 5 acres one is commercial land, actually he is getting 50,000 per month from that land. And also has a building rent for the rent income per month is 1 lakh rupees millard.
You might have filed your statement of assets and liabilities.
Please, my lord, it is filed. It's only 5 lakhs that I earn per year. Income tax is only 5 lakhs. That up.
For the lordship, it is the open secret millard while declaring to the income tax.
How can it be open secret?
According to my submission and assets and liability, I have
But,
produced paper.
though it's an open secret, but still a secret, court can't consider it.
Sir, please.
Second submission is rent. He's receiving 1 lakh per month. Where is the material for that? You alone will have 20,000, and the child and the mother for both of them. How can it be 20?
My
First petition is from the wife millard seeking enhancement of compensation.
Who appears to the
Second petition
respondent?
is reduction they have filed millard. They obtained the stay millard in 2022 subject to payment of 10,000. Granted with 20,000 was granted by the family court. Even that amount they have not deposited millard. Therefore, millard annual IT holder, the husband is IT holder. As per the,
You are seeking enhancement of
I
maintenance.
am seeking enhancement.
What is the amount granted?
Amount millard, we paid millard 30,000 per month for child and female child and wife.
What is the income of the husband?
Husband is as per the 80 millard, 5 lakhs net income has been final
How much the court has granted?
20,000.
Come to the order. Yes.
He is the owner of 4 lorries and he has got yellow bird 3 cars millard. And 5 acres one is commercial land, actually he is getting 50,000 per month from that land. And also has a building rent for the rent income per month is 1 lakh rupees millard. Millard, whatever the
Why
document,
you are not filing execution?
millard, execution I have filed millard. In view of the interim order granted by this honorable court, they have concluded.
Interim order.
Millard in a connected matter. Millard.
Lord, may I make one submission? This is the wife's petition. Insofar as the husband is also challenged the order of the,
Yes.
in that matter, my lord, which was challenged before this honorable court had passed an order restricting it for 10,000. 20,000 was reduced to 10,000.
Are you complying with the interim order?
Complied, my lord.
Is it so?
No, millard.
No, I will
They are
comply it, my lord.
complied.
Sir, one.
When is the order passed?
Passed on 3rd January 2023.
2021. This is 2022 petition yours.
My lord, insofar as WP 25926 of 22 is concerned, it was filed and the order is on January 2023. I have paid some amount. I will pay the rest of the amount as per the order of this honorable court. This is my first submission. My lord, insofar as my second submission is concerned, my lord, my learned friend has also produced his my IT returns. My lord, I own a sum of rupees 5 lakhs a month. This is my earnings, my lord. That apart, I don't have any other earnings. My lord, out of 5 lakhs divided by 12 is 40,000, my lord, per month. 20,000, the court has passed an order. If your lordship may confirm that order, my lord, I will withdraw this. I will pay 20,000. I'll withdraw my petition.
Said that it is divided by something is so and so.
My lord, 5 lakhs divided by 12. It's
You mean to say 5 lakhs per annum?
per annum. Per annum. Therefore, I'm getting only 40,000.
No, he stated something like per month.
No. Kindly see, my lord.
Please
Kindly see.
come to the discussion in the order.
Lord, monthly income of 1 lakh. My lord, this is the submission of my learned friend before the trial court.
No, what is you might have filed your statement of assets and liabilities.
Please, my lord, it is filed. It's only 5 lakhs that I earn per year. Income tax is only 5 lakhs. That apart, my lord.
Court gives no finding with regard to your income.
Please, my
Court,
lord, that's not there.
basing on what you're saying that his income is
No, my
3 lakhs.
return is there, my lord. As per the lordship, it is the open secret, my lord. While declaring to the income tax.
How
they are
can it be
suppressing.
open secret?
But according to my submission and its
No,
assets and liability, I have
But
produced before.
though it's an open secret, but still a secret, court can't consider it.
Sir, please, my lord. It is true, my lord, the 5 acres land is there. It is true, my lord, 5 lorry is he is running and supplying the water. And it is true, my lord, he is receiving 1 lakh rupees per month as a rent income.
How is
It
it
is true,
true?
my lord, he is doing his
No.
real estate, my lord.
No, don't say everything true. Now you're saying that one is income tax, you say that what he
Income
says
tax,
is
other,
right.
other, my lord,
Though he's, 1 minute, though he's having income, but he has not disclosed it. That's why income tax return shows only 5 lakhs per annum,
Please,
one submission.
please, please.
Second submission is rent, he's receiving 1 lakh per month. Where is the material for that?
My lord, document is, it is very difficult to produce document to that, my lord.
But court only have to
Also,
look at
he
the
is doing real
documents.
estate business, my lord.
Huh?
He is doing real estate business is doing, he is also receiving.
Please tell something which you can justify.
Lordship knows, my lord, all those profession.
My lords doesn't know. My lord, my learned friend cannot say my lords knows that. No, the court is not supposed to know that.
He actually doesn't mean that. What is she has a child also. No, in that case,
Hello.
no, in 40,000, half of it you can't give her. The child
We'll
is
give-
also there.
20,000.
20,000 is what the court has granted.
Please, my
It
lord.
should be more. What about you alone will have 20,000 and the child and the mother for both of them, how can it be 20?
My parents are there. My grandmother is there. I'll have to take care of all of them.
They have own house, my lord, and also his
Please come.
mother-in-law.
Agreed with orders passed in I number 4 in MC number 818 of 2018 dated 20th March 2020. Both the wife and husband are before this court. For the sake of convenience, they referred to as wife and husband. On 3/1/2023, had granted stay on the condition that the husband shall continue to pay 10,000 till the appearance of the respondent. So now when he appeared from that day, you don't have to pay then till the appearance of the respondent. The counsel appearing for the petitioner wife submits that the MC was filed seeking by whom?
Husband.
MP was filed with the husband seeking divorce. And in that, the IA is filed seeking interim maintenance at rupees 30,000 per month for for herself and for the child, and also 25,000 towards the litigation expenses. It is a case that in view of the differences between the parties, she had left the matrimonial home. And out of the wedlock, they were blessed with a baby girl who is aged 4 years. According to the wife, she has been taking care of the child and paying the school expenses. According to her, the annual pay is 60,000. And she has paid 50,000 by borrowing the same for her father. And she need to pay a balance of rupees 10,000 towards the school fees. It is a case that the husband is having 4 water tankers. He owns 3 cars and 2 bikes. And he is earning an amount of rupees 10,000 from the business. He is having agricultural land to an extent of 5 acres. He earns about rupees 50,000 per month from the agricultural lands. He engaged in real estate business and earning rupees 50,000 per month from the said business. And also has our own house. And in spite of his income, he has not taken any efforts to, he has neglected to maintain the wife and the child. The husband filed his objections to the statement. Stating that he himself has taken care of his daughter and he has spent each and every time whenever he need to take care of expenses of the daughter. And he also waited for the respondent to realize her mistakes and lead marital life with him. and he is paying the school fees of the daughter also. And as far as his income is concerned, the same was denied by him. The court below, considering the expenses that the wife is incurring towards the school expenses and also looking at the business of the husband, had granted an amount of rupees 20,000 per month towards interim maintenance. No amount for litigation expenses, but no amount is granted for litigation expenses. Land counsel appearing for the petitioner wife submits that though the husband is earning sufficient amount, the court had granted only 20,000. It is submitted that though he could not file any document about his income towards his business, his agriculture and other works, but he is earning more than 3 lakhs per month. These aspects were not considered by the court. According to him, right from the date the order is passed by the court, no amount is paid by the husband. Next, the land counsel appearing for the respondent husband submits that the court had failed to consider what is the income without giving any finding and just basing on what has been stated by the wife, had granted an amount of rupees 20,000 towards interim maintenance. He submits that except stating that the husband is earning by doing business, no other material is placed before the court. So that for that the court has to come to the conclusion. It is submitted that the amount that is granted is on the higher side and the same is granted without any basis. Land counsel further submits that as per the orders of the court, they have paid certain amount, some amount, and the remaining amount would be paid. Next, having got the counsels on either side, where is the material on record? The wife had filed the petition seeking maintenance of an amount of rupees 30,000. No doubt, as contended with the land counsel for the respondent husband, the wife, having stated that he's earning more than 3 lakhs, had not filed any material to show that on what basis she's saying she's submitting the same. But the income tax returns filed on behalf of the husband shows that his annual income is 5 lakh per annum. Apart from that, it is not disputed that he is having agricultural land and also a own house. Considering all this, without considering going into the aspect of the 3 lakhs amount, basing on the admitted things, this court deems it appropriate to grant an amount of rupees 25,000 towards maintenance to the wife and the daughter. Accordingly, the writ petition filed by the husband is dismissed and the writ petition filed by the wife is partly allowed.
Lord, insofar as 25,000 from this day, my lord,
25,000 is from the date of order,
from the date of order of this honorable court.
this court. Today,